Ever felt like your accounting software and your online payment processor are speaking two completely different languages? You're not alone. Many businesses struggle to keep track of their online sales when their PayPal transactions don't seamlessly sync with their accounting software. But fear not, fellow entrepreneurs. Today, we're diving deep into the question: can you connect PayPal to Xero? And more importantly, how can you make this integration work for you? Let's face it, manually entering every PayPal transaction into Xero is a recipe for disaster. It's time-consuming, prone to errors, and frankly, a massive drain on your productivity. Imagine a world where your sales data flows effortlessly from PayPal to Xero, giving you a real-time view of your cash flow and a streamlined accounting process. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that this dream can become a reality. The good news is, yes, you can absolutely connect PayPal to Xero. There are several ways to achieve this integration, each with its own set of pros and cons. We'll explore the most common methods, so you can choose the one that best suits your business needs. Method 1. Direct integration. This is often the most straightforward approach. Xero offers a direct integration with PayPal, which allows you to automatically import your PayPal transactions into your Xero accounts. Pros. Usually the most reliable and efficient method. Often free or comes with minimal fees. Provides real-time transaction updates. Cons. May require some initial setup and configuration. The level of automation can vary depending on your PayPal account type and the specific features you need. How to set up direct integration. Log in to your Xero account. Go to the Add-ons section. Search for PayPal and select the official PayPal integration. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your PayPal account to Xero. This may involve providing your PayPal credentials and authorizing Xero to access your transaction data. Important notes. Ensure you review and understand the data fields that are mapped between PayPal and Xero. Regularly check the integration to make sure it's working correctly and that all transactions are being imported accurately. Method 2. Using a third-party app. If the direct integration doesn't meet all your specific needs, you can consider using a third-party app that specializes in accounting integrations. Pros. Can offer more advanced features than the direct integration, such as automated invoice creation, expense tracking, and bank reconciliation. May provide more flexibility and customization options. Cons. Often comes with a subscription fee, which can add to your monthly expenses. You'll need to choose a reputable third-party app and ensure it's compatible with both PayPal and Xero. Popular third-party apps. Zapier. A powerful automation platform that allows you to connect PayPal to Xero and automate various tasks, such as creating invoices in Xero when a new sale is made in PayPal. Xero. A dedicated accounting integration platform that offers a wide range of features, including automated bank feeds, invoice matching, and expense tracking. Important notes. Carefully research and compare different third-party apps to find the one that best fits your budget and specific requirements. Always read the terms and conditions of the third-party app before signing up. Method 3. Manual entry. As a last resort. While not ideal, manually entering your PayPal transactions into Xero is still an option. Pros. Requires no additional software or integrations. Gives you complete control over how your transactions are recorded in Xero. Cons. Extremely time-consuming and prone to errors. Can lead to inaccurate financial reporting and reconciliation issues. Tips for manual entry. Download your PayPal transaction history in a CSV or other suitable format. Use Xero's import function to upload the transaction data. Carefully review and reconcile each transaction to ensure accuracy. Best practices for maintaining a smooth integration. Regularly review and reconcile your transactions. This helps identify and resolve any discrepancies or errors early on. Keep your integration updated. Ensure you're using the latest version of the integration software or app. Monitor your transaction history. Regularly check your PayPal and Xero accounts to ensure all transactions are being recorded correctly. Use a consistent chart of accounts. This makes it easier to categorize and track your income and expenses in Xero. Troubleshooting common issues. Transactions not syncing correctly. Check your integration settings. Ensure your PayPal account is active and review the transaction data for any potential errors. Integration errors. Contact Xero support or the support team of the third-party app you're using for assistance. Data discrepancies. Carefully review your transactions in both PayPal and Xero to identify and resolve any inconsistencies. Connecting PayPal to Xero can significantly streamline your accounting process and save you valuable time and resources. By choosing the right integration method and following best practices, you can ensure that your financial data is accurate, up-to-date, and readily available for analysis. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.